Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendall Mom, and today I am doing my first cleaning video with you guys. On a total side note, did you like my new intro? I am so obsessed. I incorporated my hanger logo, so that's pretty cool. But back to cleaning. So I just got home from Nashville like 2 days ago, and literally my room is a disaster. I feel like a tornado went through my room, so I decided why not try a cleaning video. So I'm really excited because my suitcase, my room, everything is a mess, and I did not clean it before I left. So I was like, why not? This will be super fun. So you'll see me clean my room and my bathroom, and it took me a while, but it was fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you like this new trend of cleaning videos. Nikki totally got me into this video. So you will also see some of my clothes from the Nordstrom sale, because if you haven't noticed, the Nordstrom sale is going on right now, and I have 2 other videos linked down below that I posted last week that are all about my Nordstrom picks from the Nordstrom Anniversary 2018 sale. So I will link all of those down below as well if you want to check those out. And yeah, you also will see part of my Nashville trip if you watch my Nordstrom sale lookbook. I hope you guys enjoy this, so please subscribe, like, and comment, and let's jump right in. Okay, you guys, so first things first, make your bed. I heard that if you make your bed every morning, most people feel more accomplished throughout the day. It is a statistics, and I agree with it, because at least when you make your bed, you feel that it's starting your day off right, and you're starting your day off on a positive note, and you're clean, so that your day feels more accomplished. And then of course, Duke had to help me. How cute is he? He just loves my bed more than me. And as you can see, I got a new headboard, or what I call a headboard. I DIY'd my headboard. Next, we are unpacking my suitcase from Nashville. Holy moly, I bought so much stuff in Nashville in the Nordstrom sale, and taking it all home was crazy. Duke thinks it's so fun to play in my suitcase, so I thought that was funny. And I'm just gonna rearrange everything from dirty to clean and whatnot. But as you can see, leather leggings from the Nordstrom sale, that sweater's from the Nordstrom sale, that pink dress is from the Nordstrom sale, everything's from the Nordstrom sale, and then all of my sweats and comfy clothes that I brought with me. So basically, I am one of those people that for the laundry, I do whites separately than blacks, and then all the other colors separate, because I've turned half my clothes pink lately. Oh my goodness. Next, we're hanging up all of my clothes. So I try to be pretty neat for the most part and hang up my clothes on a daily basis, but you know, sometimes that doesn't happen. But I am trying to do color coordinated right now. So for the most part, it's kind of working, but we'll see how long it stays. Oh man. Oh, I love this yellow dress. By the way, you guys, it's probably one of my favorites. I will link all of the clothes that I love down below. These are my new lavender pumps from the Nordstrom sale that I love. I decided to change up my clothing rack, if you've seen other videos that I've posted, and put this into a heels rack. Whoops, it's fallen off, but it'll work. My little kitten heel was a little hard to hang, but they ended up looking so cute, and I love this rack of heels. And then, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I just got into podcasts, and Ashley I from The Bachelor and Ben Higgins' podcast, it's so funny. Colton got kicked off The Bachelor, so I was definitely listening to see if him and T are back together. If anyone else keeps up with The Bachelor like me, because if you don't know, my ex was on the show this year. Then I'm going to rearrange my shoe collection. This is probably one of my favorite parts of my room, is all of my shoes. And I try to update it regularly with all my new shoes, and I'll put some of my older shoes in my closet or away so that all of the new shoes are displayed. I got 4 new pairs from the Nordstrom sale, and fitting them in was quite the challenge, but I made it work somehow, in some way, in some shape and form. Next, I'm just gonna tidy up all of my dressers and stuff, put on my salt lamps so I can get some positive energy in there, fold my jeans, and as you can see, Duke just sits there and sleeps while I work. He's so cute. Then I'm just gonna switch through my room because my hair ends up everywhere. Girls, do you feel me? And then I have the dust buster around my bed because Duke gets all of his hair on there. But I love my platform bed and all of the pink that I've added in lately, especially my rose gold suitcase and my rose gold clock. I'm just gonna dust my room, but that's boring, so I decided to stop there. Moment of Silence. Holy moly, did you see how messy my bathroom is? Goodness gracious. So I'm just gonna tidy up my bathroom by putting all of my makeup from Nashville that I brought with me away. You can see my dirty extensions hanging out, and yeah, so I'm just gonna literally go through and put everything away. That drawer is all of my lipsticks, which I really do need to organize better, so that should be another video. Let me know if you like these type of videos, because I will definitely go through and I need to organize all my lipsticks, but for now, they're just at least away in the drawer. And part of my cleaning routine is washing my extensions. I like them to be clean, especially in the humidity in Nashville. I was like, holy moly, I definitely need to wash these suckers. So I just washed them with some normal shampoo and conditioner, and then I just let them out to dry all night. And if you guys are not a part of Young Living, this is one of my favorite things. Thieves Organic Cleaner is so good and so much better to use than other cleaners. And I'm just gonna use that to spray down my sink, to spray down my mirrors and everything. It smells really good. It's all essential oils and it's all organic. If you would like to start looking into Young Living products, I do have a link down below for you guys. I am obsessed with them. I got into them years ago. So I definitely love all their products, and part of Young Living is a diffuser. So I am diffusing lemon in my room today, in my bathroom, so it smells clean. Lemon leaves a very clean scent, you know, and it's just refreshing, and since I cleaned, I was like, oh, why not? And this diffuser changes colors. It's one of my favorites ever to diffuse all day long, every day. And there's so many different combinations of oils that you can have. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.